Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to change field type in Asana. So this is actually pretty simple. First thing you will have to do is to go to your, as you can see, this field assignee. So we want to switch this field with this one. So I will click on this drop-down menu next to the task and go move left, and as you can see they are switched now, and I can just go right here and hide column. Now as you can see it is successfully changed. You can also add new ones right here and switch them all the way. So let's say add people and field title, create field, and then I can switch it all the way. So let's go move column left, move column left. So you have to move it like this all the way to the left. And now once it is done, you can see that it is switched and I can hide this one. So it is really simple to change field type. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.